This time we'd like to do a song that was written by a friend of ours, Phil Coulter, and he comes from the city of Derry, which has been a very troubled spot for the last 26 or 7 years, and we'd love to do his marvellous song, The Town I Love So Well. My memory, I will always see the town that I have loved so well, where our schools played ball by the gas yard wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways. In the town I love so well. In the early morning, the shirt factory horn called women from Cregan, the Moor and the Ball, while the men on the dole played a mother's role, fed the children and then walked the dog. And when times got rough, there was just about enough, but they saw it through without complaining. For deep inside was a burning pride for the town I love so well. But when I returned, how my eyes were burned to see how a town be brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs on to every breeze. Now the army's installed by that old gas yard wall, and the damn barbed wire gets higher and higher. With their tanks and guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town I love so well? Now the music's gone, but they carry on, for their spirit's been bruised, never broken. But they'll not forget, still their hearts are sent on tomorrow and peace once again. For what's done, it's done, and what's won is won, and what's lost, it's lost and gone forever. I can only pray for a bright, brand new day in the town I love so well. Thank you very much. Thank you.